everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2019 Toyota Tundra in the SR5 trim. With just under 55,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 5.7 liter V8 engine. It is four-wheel drive and it also has a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. In the front, you will find this Tundra well equipped with high intensity headlights and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper. And making our way around to the wheel and tire setup, we'll have a 20-inch aftermarket fuel wheel wrapped up in a like-new off-road tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. This particular Toyota Tundra does have some aftermarket lift and suspension components installed, appropriately sized, I do think. And coming around here, you will have keyless entry. You also have heated mirrors. And looking inside, you'll have a black-on-black theme here with touches of brushed aluminum. A little bit of chrome around the vents, and as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Toyota Tundra. And of course, once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these premium cloth seats. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection. Here you can see the tires range anywhere from 11 to 19 30-seconds all the way around. The brake pads are good to go. And as you guys can see, everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. And we do this so you don't have to put any money into the wearables shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Let's go ahead and take a look into the crew cab. Obviously, plenty of space back here. You're gonna have all-weather floor mats all the way around, pockets on the back of the seats, a flow-through center console with a 12-volt outlet, and you'll even have a fold-down cup holder and an armrest. Making our way around to the 5.5-foot bed, you would notice this Tundra is equipped with a soft tri-fold tonneau cover. Back here you'll have your rear camera with all of your towing equipment, including your 4- and 7-pin wiring and your hitch receiver. Let's go ahead and drop the tailgate here. This Tundra is equipped with a spray-in bed liner, as you can see. Very nice and clean and durable. Making our way to the driver door, you'll notice all your power options such as power windows, door locks, and on the inside you have mirror adjustments here. And down below you have some lighting settings followed up with your fog lights, and you'll actually have a control for your rear sliding glass. Upon startup, you can see just under 55,000 miles, and here on the steering wheel mounted controls, you will have some audio controls, and you will have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And to the right, you'll have some selectors for that center screen, some page and menu options. And down below, you'll have safety features such as forward collision and lane departure. And bringing our attention to our center display and infotainment system here. As you can see, you'll have your standard AM, FM, CD player, and XM radio with some hard buttons on either side. Down below, you'll have some simple climate controls here. Looks like we have a little bit of storage here, 2 cup holders and 1 random cup holder here. And down below you will have USB and auxiliary for alternative audio and 2 12-volt outlets, followed up with your nice leather-wrapped and brushed aluminum shifter here with your manual shift mode. As you can see, you do have a nice large center console here with another 12-volt outlet. And up top you will have your auto-dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door openers. As you can see, you can program up to 3. Now, as part of the tow package here, you will have your integrated trailer brake control with your gain control. You also have your tow haul mode and your traction control on and off right at the touch of your fingertips. And you will have an aftermarket preamp here for your subwoofers here, so that's going to control the volume of your subwoofers. Under the hood, you will find a 5.7 liter V8 gas engine. No evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. I always say our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer, and along with that multiple inspection, this Tundra has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania State inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Toyota Tundra. And guys, this is an especially helpful resource for those of you who might be shopping from further away. Number one, we appreciate you shopping with All Things Automotive, but before you make that long trip to our dealership, we want to make sure you know what you're getting into. Starting in the front here, small blemishes here. No paint chips per se, but you will have some imperfections here on your matte black grille here. Pretty good shape. Your headlights are starting to get a little hazy up top here and down here, but clear right there, as you can see. So you will have some paint chips here. I'm on the driver's side, just below that headlight. Looking at the fog lights, nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, and your lower bumper fascia here is in good shape with no discoloration. And some more paint chips here on this side, and we are at the passenger side just below the tail light. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, as you can see, no curb rash on those nice wheels. Sand is the color, guys. I'm gonna call it Mojave sand, A really unique color here in the showroom today on this Toyota Tundra. Looks like we see a slight scratch here, as you can see on the camera. And then on the mirror cap, you'll have some wear and tear from the road. Looks like we have some blemishes just behind the door handle here on the passenger side and on this side as well. And on these door cards, you are going to have some scuffing and discoloration on that plastic. Looking into the interior, I did want to mention headliner's nice and clean, no rip stains, tears, and no odors in this truck. Owner was a non-smoker. You are going to have some wear on these cloth seats here, guys, especially on the left and right side bolsters with some staining and discoloration. Up top, pretty clean, but over here on the right side bolster here on the passenger seat, you'll see some wear and tear. Let's go ahead and take a look. In the back seat, a little bit of wear and tear, some minor cosmetic blemishes behind, and some discoloration on that molding piece here on the door trim by the door latch, okay? Looking at your rear passenger side door card, some discoloration. And you are gonna have some staining and discoloration here on the cloth seats in the back. As you can see through the camera there, camera shows everything. So we could not extract any of this from the seats, so just wanna let you guys know that is evident on this truck. Some slight scuffs and scratches here on the bedside. Right up here. Coming around to the taillights, nice and clear, LED taillights if you can see. All the way down to your lower bumper, pretty clean, no dents or dings or anything like that, no deep gouges. And all the way up here to your, let's go ahead and pop that. Not a lot of scarring here on the trim piece on top of the tailgate, but you will have some. Of course, you are gonna have some staining here on the spray and bed liner, but does not affect the functionality of it. Looks like we got some LED lights back here as well. Some loops for some ties. Coming around to the driver's side, right driver's side, the left driver's side wheel in the rear, no curb rash on that guy. No dents or dings to the vehicle body here on the driver's side. We like to take care of those before we list these vehicles. And here we have some obvious discoloration, wear and tear here on the outer door trim pieces. And again, behind the door handles, not sure what that is, but it is evident here on this truck. Nice color here, Mojave sand is what I'm calling it. I believe Toyota just calls it sand. But if you have any questions on this beautiful Toyota, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com, and you can even get yourself pre-approved on a truck like this. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And guys, make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this vehicle will qualify. So we hope to see you guys at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.